Imagine that you're turning $1,000 into $50,000 using a tool that you already have but might be underutilizing or not even using. That's your email. So if you give me 10 minutes, in the next 10 minutes, I'll be showing you or I'll be proving you how email marketing can generate incredible returns for your business. So whether you are a beginner or have some experience in this, these strategies that I'm going to discuss can revolutionize your approach to digital communication. So with real examples, practical tips, and the 10 key tactics, I'll be discussing this topic and I'll be trying to cover, everything about email marketing, the power of email marketing. Now, the question is why email marketing is a game changer. See, if you look at email marketing, it boasts an average ROI of, 35 to 45 for every dollar you spend, right? The cost is actually very less and the return on investment, that is very, very high. So you spend $1 and the chances of getting, 35, 45, that means 35, 45 times is what you're getting as the ROI. It's like investing in a stock that delivers 50 times, 40 times returns in a week. So the beauty of this, email is that you have already spent resources acquiring, these contacts. Now you are simply following up, right? So tools and writers are your only cost in this case. And one email writer can reach millions of people. So that's a leverage which is unmatched by any other platforms. So along with that, if you see, email consumption transcends age groups and global boundaries as well. And that is again making it a universal medium to connect with your audience. So understand the importance of that. Now, the purpose of every email. See, each email you send serves two objectives. That is encouraging someone to purchase now or increasing the likelihood that they will buy later. Unlike social media algorithms, emails allow you to control delivery. Your goal is to craft messages that land in the primary inbox, not the promotions tab. Okay. So from subject lines to content structure, each element plays a role in making your email effective. Remember, it's about consistently providing value. So you need to keep giving value even with email also. I'll be teaching you how you'll be doing that also. So, see, start your email journey from now itself. If you have hesitated to start emailing, you're not alone. Many business owners fear wasting their, audience time. But the first step is to simply begin. My first email started with a, light-hearted subject line. Is this on? Paired with a quote. It only take 20 hours to, of effort to get proficient at any particular skill. So you need to spend some time and understand this. If not, you need to have someone who have very good expertise on this. So what's the point? It's never too late to start. And once you do, you are on your way to tapping into the incredible, ROI of email marketing. So email marketing is something which you cannot afford to ignore at any point of time. If you are doing digital marketing, email marketing is the best because in terms of ROI and to keep the, the prospects engaged as well. Now you can handle the unsubscribers like a pro. How? Let's address this elephant in the room. That's the unsubscribers, right? So they are not bad things, right? And when someone unsubscribes, it often mean that they know about your brand but prefer another form of communication. You can take it in that way. Just because they unsubscribe, that doesn't mean that they don't like it. They might not prefer the email mode, but they might be liking your product. They know you in other sources, they watch you in other sources, and they come to you maybe through other platforms. That's making it easy to, in a way, if you consider in this way, it is making it easy to unsubscribe. That will improve your email domain's deliverability and will ensure that only engaged readers receive your email. Right? Think of it as a pruning your list for better health. Like when you do the gardening and everything, you will do the pruning, right? You will cut the unnecessary branches of a tree. So same way, think it in that way. It's like a pruning so that you'll get a better health for the existing people who are getting engaged with that. Now segmentation, that's very important. See, there is a research, HubSpot research, it actually shows segmenting your email list can increase ROI by 79%, 790 or 79%. Why? If you tailor messages to specific audiences, that ensure more relevance, right? So beginners appreciate simple guides while advanced users value detailed insights. So you can use opt-in qualifiers like revenue or business type to deliver the right content to the right audience. So a segmented list respect your audience needs and maximize engagement. So that's something which you can follow. A segmentation, right? Again, structuring the perfect email. How can you do that? Every email should reward the reader for their time. So start with a compelling subject line, deliver valuable content. Value is very much important in any case, and end with a clear call to action. For example, you can talk about subject line like make it you can make it catchy, but it should be relevant, like how to boost revenue in 60 seconds, right? And what is the content? Share one clear actionable insight. For instance, repurpose five-star reviews by displaying them prominently in your store or online, right? So then you give a call to action, encourage a simple action such as visiting your website or signing up for workshop, whatever. So always include a PS statement. It's the second most read part of any email. Now, coming to mobile optimization and consistent layouts, over 60% of email traffic coming from mobile devices. So ensure your email look great on smaller screens. So test your designs on both desktop and mobile to avoid the display issues. So stick to a consistent format, much like a favorite meal at a restaurant. So familiarity that build the trust. So keep your email layout predictable and more reliable. Now, let's talk about some more advanced tactics to boost engagement. See, speed to contact. You respond to leads within 60 seconds for up to 390% higher sales. You can see that's the research has been proven. And then you can go for optimized preview text. So the snippet visible before opening the email impacts open rates significantly, right? So again, time your emails. For B2C, Mondays and Tuesdays work best. B2B, Wednesdays shine, and that work best. So aim for mid morning or early afternoon, and then A/B testing. Experiment with subject lines and content to find what resonate most with your audience. So that's something which you can follow. Again, building a long-term cadence. So consistency is crucial. Start with once a month and scale to 2 or 3 times a week. High quality email, deliver value every time. That makes readers look forward to your messages. So you don't need to be overly promotional. Simply include a link for those ready to take the next step. That's it, simple, right? It could be a workshop, it could be a visit to website. Now, what's the secret sauce? Delivering value first. That's very important. Think of email as a content. Every email should stand on its own, and that should offer tangible benefits. For example, share a strategy that adds 20% to annual revenue with minimal effort. Over a period of time, this approach builds trust and position you as a reliable source of valuable insights, right? So what I want to tell you in conclusion is email marketing is a proven method to scale your business. From structuring emails to engaging your audience and optimizing timing, the potential is immense. So start small, stay consistent, and watch as your efforts translate into exponential returns. So if you find these strategies valuable, I invite you to subscribe to my newsletter for regular insights. I'll give you the link in the description. So check out that. And in case if you're looking for any consultation, one-to-one consultation, we can get in touch with you can get in touch with us. I share the details in the description again. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.